Nashville is famous for music, but the city has much more to offer than great shows. The capital of Tennessee is home to world-class universities and many large companies. It also has experienced strong inflow migration in recent years. Home price sales are up an incredible 19% year over year. Inventory is very low, and the median price of $375,000 is close to the national average of $377,000. Rent prices have also increased in the last year, though not substantially, which is likely something for buy and hold investors to consider when they're ready to make an offer on a property. On average, rents in Nashville have grown by 7% in the last year to a median rent price of $1,651. Rental vacancies have risen over the past year, but are expected to decrease. The May 2021 rent was around 8.4%. Both single-family and multifamily building permits are on the rise in Nashville. Nashville's real estate financial health indicators show that the city's housing market currently stands on solid ground. Nashville's low foreclosure rate offers another positive sign to investors. At just 0.1% as of April 2021, this metric is significantly below the national average of 0.29% and is down 0.1% year over year. Tennessee was not one of those states that passed an independent eviction moratorium, and the state launched the Housing Resource Diversionary Court, a program to mediate eviction claims. According to the Nashville Chamber of Commerce, Music City and its surrounding region are home to over 40,000 businesses. Vanderbilt University Medical Center is the city's largest employer. The medical center employs around 20,000 employees on its own. In second place is Nissan's North American headquarters, which employs more than 10,000 people in the Nashville area. The city's third largest source of employment is another healthcare giant. HCA Healthcare is responsible for bringing in another 10,000 jobs to the city. The city is also home to RYMAN Hospitality Properties, which owns the Grand Ole Opry and RYMAN Auditorium. As a bustling city, it's no surprise that Nashville is home to more than a few notable colleges and universities. Investors who are interested in specializing in student housing will be pleased to know that these higher learning institutions also tend to have large enrollments. Here are the region's 3 largest schools, according to the Nashville Business Journal. The region's largest university is Middle Tennessee State University and is located in neighboring Murfreesboro. The school's 2019 enrollment was just over 22,000. Situated in the heart of Nashville between Midtown and Edge Hill is Vanderbilt University, the area's second largest source for higher education. In 2019, Vanderbilt had a total enrollment of 13,537. About an hour outside of Nashville, Austin Peay State University is the third largest university in the Middle Tennessee region. It is home to over 11,000 each year. Over the last few years, Nashville has really taken a spot on the national stage. As a result, the city is not as affordable as it used to be. Fortunately, though, there are still deals to be had if you know where to look. With that in mind, we brought you 3 neighborhoods of note for investing. If your investment strategy involves renting or flipping starter homes, Antioch might be a good place to start your search. Located just east of Brentwood, this up-and-coming neighborhood offers many opportunities for investors to build a portfolio at an affordable price point. On the other hand, if you're interested in investing in Class A properties, you should be looking at East Nashville. This neighborhood is already established as one of Nashville's hotspots, which means that any property you buy will come with a higher price tag. Lastly, if you have a high tolerance for risk, you may want to check out Lebanon. It's a short drive from Nashville's city center, but it has yet to really hit many investors' radars, which means there's a lot of potential here to score a deal. While investing in Nashville may not be as affordable as it once was, there are still plenty of opportunities for investors who are willing to put in the work. On the whole, the city has made a strong recovery in the wake of the pandemic, and most of the problems still plaguing the city are national issues rather than simply local ones. If we had to take a guess, we'd say that the city's diverse economy will help keep the market in decent shape until the real estate industry reaches an even keel on a national scale.